Banyatai sani halor ke jing syakta ke jing kala ke sun beneng bat ki lan banyada ha ka bayade bat ki kamrap ki kamriang ka Society for Biotic and Environmental Research SBER Tripura bat ka College of Agriculture CAU Impal Kyrdemkulai kila shim ya ka senja man pelong da ka weka program ka pang halor ka phang bala tep kom ka fourth Biotic Science Congress ahaja apsaw an international conference on climate smart farming, adoption, impacts, and implications for sustainable development, Balapalong, ha College of Agriculture, Kyrdemkulai, Ribhoi District. Kani ka program, ka bakarpang, ka ba arts ni linter, kabala sedang menta kasni but on penkot no hak arp artarik unai wing ahja arpsa hakaba kani ka program ke tai ni ther sani halor ka tei ka phang lawan manishim benta na du ki deans directors scientists academicians ki nongram ki samla pule na kalengari India o Professor Gautam Saha Vice Chancellor jongka BCKV ulawan ban play yakni ka program kom ukongsan bat kakong Balakanti Rani, Additional Deputy Commissioner ko Ribhoi, kum kasembut kongsan. Kiwe kiriu Shampang, u Professor Ram Singh, Dean, ka College of Agriculture Kyrdemkulai, u Professor Pranab Datta, Chief Organizing Secretary, BioEscon, u Professor D. Thakuria, Deans of the College of Postgraduate Studies in Agriculture Science and Convener, Dr. B. Chakraborty, Executive Director, Bangladesh Agriculture University, Dr. M. Segal, Nodal, Officer TSP and NEH, ICAR, NCIPM, Dr. P.K. Chakraborty, former ADG, PP, and BS, but kiwe kiriu Shampang, halor ka kamrap ka kamriang. Kakong Balakanti Rani, ka Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi District, kum kasembut kongsan, kalakran, Shapang kata ka jingdon kam banlek kerpang, ya ki kamrap ki kamriang, ki badai kat kum ka jukstar bamenta, ban kintiu ya ki kamrap ki kamriang, bat hakaway ka bentaru, kalakran halor ka jingdon kam, ban penti kana, bangi day, ban la, ban piang, ya ki jingbam lada dan kata ke jingnya trailang na baro kiliang. Professor Gautam Saha Vice Chancellor ka BCKV kumukongsan ulaban batai halor ke jinglong jingman bat ke jingkala ka bor mariang ha ki jilla shatay lamingi ka ri India kabala ban kata ya ka kamrap ka kamriang na lor kata ulah keren ru bala dan kam ban pentre kam ya kita ki jat jingthung ki bala ban penmi so shibon wat apadeng ke jingkala jong ka bor mariang ka jingdan kam ban penne ya ki telong bat ban penan kam ya ki kor ki bor kat kum ke jukstar pamenta khnang manginla ban penbiang ya ki jingdan kam ka ri klam de shanya ne ki we hiri limba jong kani kasngi la samru ya ki khusnam kerpang kum kadang ke jing penslur ya ki scientist but ki nong wan benya researcher ki bala pelong ya ka jingwat benya ha ki phang ba pher ki be dei but ka kamrap ka kamriang.
Two of the most important aspects of modern life, that is food and climate change. And I was listening to the speakers around here. I could already gauge and see that there is a rich exchange of knowledge. There are those who really have spoken about climate change, and I was listening very raptly to Dr. P.K. Chakraborty, who has presented just a few words when it comes to the vast knowledge that he had on the subject matter that we have today. And before I move forward, I must also give thanks and congratulate all those who have won today, who have taken part, all of you present here. It is indeed an honor for the district also to host such an international seminar. And I must thank the Society for Biotic and Environmental Research, who has taken up this leadership to host such a momentous and such an important science congress in our district. So thank you to all the organizers. And I must extend my thanks and appreciation to all who are present here today from the state government, all the directors of the different departments.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, to introduce the Agriculture Meteorology Department in this region. As because some courses are there in only undergraduate level, this is very essential to teach the postgraduate and PhD level. Just you see the situation, atmospheric situation of this Umiam region. If it is not correct, only one crop, single rice crop is there based on rainfall. Excessive rainfall is there in this region. You are very lucky, but crop, the major crop, only rice. Why? Just my dear student, my dear researchers, my dear farmers, you just think, what is their output? Only single rice crop year by year after harvesting of rice within this month. So in some pockets, some vegetables are there. Rainfall is there, water level is very low, residual moisture is very good. Why this type of cropping sequence?